How to add your name on your iPhone lock screen without any app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to introduce a quick hack to display your name on the iPhone lock screen without using any apps. You need to navigate to settings and then scroll down, go to focus, and then go to the plus icon in the top right and then custom focus. Now put in your name, put in any color of your choice and then hit next. You can customize your focus according to your wish. And then after you have chosen a focus, now what you need to do is just press and hold your lock screen, and then you can see the focus option at the bottom. Tap on it and then choose the focus with your name, and then that's it. You can see that your name has been added to the lock screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.